So we just finished the workshops and I just changed into my clothes because I'm going to the airport. And Lina kindly organized this whole workshop, and she's such a manifester. I learned so much from her. She's just so assertive and so knows what she needs and what she wants, and she just makes it happen. She's such a manifester. So thank you, Lina. I wanted to just say this. So how are you feeling? It was her first time doing Kundalini Yoga. I don't believe it. Wow.
It was amazing.
How is it as a first timer? Because everybody else have been doing my DVDs.
Yeah, well, I'm sweaty.
Oh, you're sweaty? Good.
But yeah, it was amazing, and I can feel it flowing, and I want to do more. So I really want you to come back. I hope you do.
Well, I want to thank you, Maya, because you led me through a transformation and appreciating more myself. But you also have introduced me, and I was able to introduce my husband.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Husbands, we need some more husbands, so women.
And just by doing the first warm-up of the first chakra, it started saying, I can touch my feet. I wasn't able to reach my feet for so long. And it was wide opening. Eye-opening for him.
Eye-opening.
And yeah. So sometimes he even sit by himself doing those exercises.
There was so much energy, so much heart opening that I have no stop to breathe to be able to channel all this energy that was flowing. And Maya, you know, I watched many of your videos. Like being here alive with you, when you can feel all of us and put special energy and connect with all of us. That's really out of this world.
Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we just finished the workshop in Norway, Trondheim.
It was amazing. Maya, you know, it's like was my dream to first of all to see you since 2012, and like all these years I was like looking forward like to be in your workshop, and actually reality is like beyond all expectations. It's like I remember, no, but especially you know yesterday when we just started, and I remember from first moment I just felt like wow, it's a pure happiness. It's just a pure happiness, and this is what you're like. You're magical. You're really amazing, and your energy is very beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.